Storm, the Dragon Legend, is a world's first Gerstlauer multi-launch inverted roller coaster that recently opened at Tusenfryd over in Norway as the headline attraction in their brand new Dragonville-themed area. Standing just shy of 110 feet and featuring 3 launches, 3 inversions and an airtime hill, this new coaster model is punchy and compact, but how does it ride? You begin with a very gentle launch that nudges the train out of the station about a quarter of the way up the first inversion and then rolls backwards through the station and into the backwards launch, which is much more forceful and sends the train all the way up a reverse sidewinder, which gives some crazy hang time, especially with a lap bar restraint. At the back, you're fully inverted here. You head back through the station for a final pass through, hit the launch track and boost up to the rise top speed of 59 miles per hour. Up into the first dive loop, which is quite floaty, swoop down and up into an airtime hill, which is a really cool and lesser seen element on an inverted roller coaster, and combined with the restraints gives a nice pop of air. You head up into the second dive loop, which gives some more nice hang time before the final inversion of the reverse sidewinder guides you back into the station. The layout and compact nature make me want to liken this to an inverted version of Fury at Bobbejaanland Land, another Gerstlauer roller coaster. Storm the Dragon Legend is a very solid coaster. The backwards and booster launches are punchy, the inversions deliver decent forces and the airtime hill is really nice. However, the standout moment for me has to be the backwards launch into the reverse sidewinder. The hang time there was insane. The train design is also really cool with comfortable modern lap bar restraints and an awesome Dragon Zero car. Let me know in the comments if you think this train is as cool as I do. Perhaps unsurprisingly with a Gerstlauer roller coaster though, there is a very noticeable rattle throughout, something which does dampen the ride experience a little. The theming is also fairly minimal, with nothing of note around the ride itself and a fairly low-key but aesthetically pleasing wooden station building. But what theming is there is well done, and the carved wood entrance sign for Storm is fantastic. So on the whole, Storm the Dragon Legend is a really solid addition to Tusenfryd, and as a roller coaster model itself is thrilling and has a small footprint, so could be a good fit for a lot of smaller and mid-sized theme parks. So I'd like to see another couple of these pop up. Another exciting roller coaster to open in Europe recently is Batman Gotham City Escape over at Parc in Spain, and you can check out my review of this by clicking the link on the screen. Thanks for watching, I've been Paul, and I'll catch you next time.